Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. I'm a little bit too close right now. Let me back this up. Let me back up. Okay, now we back at it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, man. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Today is Sunday. I know that I'm probably gonna be uploading this Monday, so shout out, happy Monday to everybody. The reason why I always skip Sundays, a lot of times I skip Sundays because I make content like every single day, and Sundays be the days for me to just calm down, you know what I'm saying? Just get my thoughts together and just not think of the content and just get a breather. Even though, you know what I'm saying, we grind every single day, I'm recording on Sunday, so I don't even know why I'm saying that. Today is Sunday and it's supposed to be my off day, but I'm still working. What off days at the end of the day? Anyways, man, today I received a package in the mail. I have no idea who even can send packages on Sundays. Which had me thinking this package had to be pretty important because I don't know any mail carriers that deliver on Sunday. This actually arrives to my crib on a Sunday, and it's definitely a mystery unboxing because I have no idea what this is in this box. I haven't ordered anything, so I had nothing to be expected of. My only thing is, like, who delivers on a Sunday? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't even know if a mailman delivered this. I just happened to go outside to go run an errand and I seen this on my doorstep. Like, who delivered this on a Sunday? I know it wasn't yesterday, but I have no idea what's inside of it. So I'm probably just gonna open this up. Hopefully it's a shoe. It sounds like a shoe. Hopefully it's a shoe. If it's something else, because sometimes I be getting like other things that's not like unbox worthy. I might get like all types of stuff. Like, I ain't gonna hold you, like all types of stuff. I know y'all here for the shoes, so this might not even be a pair of shoes. This might not even get uploaded, so I don't even know why I'm talking. Let's just open this box up and see what's in it real quick. Don't know where my special unboxing knife is, so I got the safety unboxer. We're just gonna go ahead and cut this open. I really hope this is a pair of shoes because I want to upload an unboxing. I haven't really did an unboxing in a long time, and the best unboxings be the ones that you don't know coming, so please let this be a pair of shoes. Is this a pair of shoes? It is a pair of shoes, and it's from Puma. Shout out to Puma. I don't know if you guys, so Puma, hey look, Puma can drop stuff on a Sunday at the end of the day. I have no idea how, but shout out to Puma. They are legit enough to send packages on Sundays. Shout out to Puma. They emailed me not too long ago and they told me I had something along the way, but I wasn't expecting this, and they didn't send me tracking or anything, so I didn't know when it was coming. But as you guys can see, it is here. In one of my vlogs, I believe I did a pickup vlog on some sneaker. I can't remember, but I went to the Puma lab in Greenbrier Mall, and I told y'all that me and Puma had something dropping, and I ain't gonna hold you. I might upload this Sunday. I'm not even upload this Monday. I think I might upload this Sunday. So if this is Sunday and it comes out, that's because I was so excited and so thankful for this Puma sneaker. I couldn't wait for like the next day. Regardless, man, let's see what Puma sent over. The last time Puma sent me over a sneaker, it was actually fire. It was that Sail Alien OG. Yup, still had it behind me, man. I didn't know if it was either behind me or in this pile of sneakers on the left of me, but the last time Puma was gracious enough to send your boy something over, they sent me over a pair of the Sail Alien OGs, a dash shoe. Really like the colorway, really like the vibe. I actually wore this a few times last summer, but I wonder exactly what are they sending now. I like a few of their sneakers. I like the RSX, I like the RXOs. So, I mean, hey, let's see what they sent your boy, man. Let's check it out. All right, so looking at the shoe, it is a RSX. Shout out to Puma for sending over the RSX. Hibbett Sports also sent me a pair of RSX, and this is the RSX 3 Super. Let's check it out, man. I like this shoe. I like this shoe a lot, and it also comes with a card. It says, let me make sure I ain't got my Floyd Mayweather on today, but regardless, it says, "Hey Sniper, RSX 3 new dimensions at Puma Sports Style." So huge shout out to Puma. I'm guessing this is a new design or some type of new colorway or just a new silhouette. I'm not really sure, but however, I'm still excited to bring these to you guys because I doubt if you've seen these before, because I know by looking at the picture I have not seen these before. Wow, man, right there we have the Puma RSX 3 and its white, red, and black colorway. White, red, and black kind of give you that Chicago Bulls vibe. Now the silhouette is, like I said, is definitely one of my favorites. Definitely shout out to Puma for sending this over. One thing I do like about a lot of the Pumas up and coming now, especially this silhouette, is just the dad vibe. It kind of gives you that bulky Balenciaga wave. It's definitely a nice shoe. One thing about Puma is whenever they decide to go mesh on the uppers, that mesh is completely different from any other material you'll get on any other shoe. It's definitely fire. So a quick little review of this sneaker before I try it on, man, to show y'all how they look on feet. We're gonna start off with the outer sole, which is your Puma SX3 outer sole, we got the white, black, and red all confused down there in the bottom. Right here on the midsole, we get this all white midsole with some red accents, and then you get some black colorway on the top of the midsole. And it kind of had like these square type symbols on the midsole as well. Moving up to the upper, we get that Puma logo. Now, I ain't gonna hold you, Puma has definitely been making the positive strides, man. Long live Nipsey Hussle, one of my biggest inspirations to ever hit mainstream. I believe he's just started hitting mainstream before the untimely death, but I mean, whenever I seen people in Puma, they always stood for something, whether it be Jay-Z, whether it be Meek Mill, whether it be Nipsey. All of these people from communities related to mine made Puma more relatable to me. And now seeing what they're doing in the basketball community, they with Kyle Kuzma, Terry Rozier, Danny Green, DeMarcus Cousins, man, the list goes on, man. You got what's the boy, DeAndre Ayton. It's so many people out there rocking the Puma. They're making the best stride. If you ask me, one of the best up and coming brands whenever it comes to like just expanding, Puma has to be on that list because they've been able to accomplish so much the last 2 years. Whenever they reach out to me and whenever they send something to me, I'm grateful because not only do I get a great sneaker to show you guys, but I feel like I'm a part of that. Somehow, some way, I feel like I'm locked in. And those are a lot of legendary names I named, man. So it just, like I said, it's just very humbling to be a part of what Puma has going on. So Puma, thank you so much for sending these over, man. I appreciate it. As I told you guys, the mesh on the upper, on the top of the toe is very, very nice, very soft and plush. And then we get the red laces, but one thing I do like about this sneaker, they come with a spare, which is the white laces, which will probably look pretty good with these, but I think I'm gonna stay with the red. I think the red kind of pops. I think the white will kind of blend in with the mesh a little bit too much. And it has like this suede material around the toe box and on the uppers as well. The suede is actually pretty smooth, pretty soft, not too hairy, not too fuzzy, but it's still like a nice firm suede. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is throw these on foot and then we're gonna head back to close out the video. So on foot, these definitely take on a whole new light. That's one thing with Puma I can say is on foot they look great. That's the same thing with the Sail Alien OG that they sent over. I definitely really liked these on foot. It was very, very nice. And this had this nice summer colorway going on. But if any of you guys are interested in the RSX3, I tagged Puma down below. And I also left a website for Puma so you guys can head over there and pick these up. Every time I review a Puma, I have to go over price point whenever it comes down to this because so many sneakers over here are so overpriced. And I know a lot of you guys, whether you're in school, whether you're in college, or whether you're just like too young to have your own job and like spend your own money on sneakers, I always say Puma is definitely one of the best sneakers to pick up because not only are they stylish, they are affordable. I don't know if they try to target that market of being affordable, but they definitely are. I can't really think of too many Pumas I've seen for retail that just cost way too much for me. They're always been like that sneaker that mom and dad don't mind buying because it's not $400, $500. It's a reasonable price for a sneaker. And as I said, man, as you can see, there are a lot of people, even Gunna, you know, a lot of other rappers that are involved with the Puma life, man. So if you're not with that Puma life, you sleep right now, bro. I'm gonna need you to get with that Puma life. Anyways, man, Puma, thank you so much for sending these over. Y'all see, man, 2020, we're making a lot of steps in the right direction, man. Make sure you smash up this like button. Also, drop down your comments and thoughts of this sneaker down below. And until next time, man, I will get up with y'all. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. And you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.